Don't you hate that moment where you have a ton of computers you can't use anymore? I know teams that have server closets full of devices like this. Wiping every computer, keeping them labeled and inventoried, and then trying to dispose of them in a safe way or hopefully sell them, it takes forever. And it's arguably the least fun thing to do in IT. Rippling IT automates the entire process, ensuring you get a certificate of destruction required for compliance while putting money back in your pocket through our Device Buyback program. Instantly view current market resale value for unassigned or archived devices directly from your device dashboard. Pricing is transparent and there are no hidden fees. Select up to as many devices as you like to sell at once. Rippling auto removes the MDM agent and unenrolls from ABM or Entra. Sell back both Apple and Windows, no problem. No need to talk to a reseller rep, get a quote, or drive to FedEx or box and ship devices yourself. Buyback happens in just a few clicks. The Sold tab makes it easy to track all of your sold devices and their details, sale date, resale status, and total credit received. Finally, automatically generates certified destruction documentation for compliance evidence of secure device disposal. Stop getting stuck in the biggest time suck of IT management and let Rippling IT and Device Buyback take care of your old inventory.